Welcome to AgroProtein Farm. Today I'm gonna upload new video. Let me say it's a amazing video about black soya fly farming. Okay, I hope you will be interested. Don't miss it, please. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Take time to watch this video because in the end of this video you will be interested in a black soya fly farming. I hope you will let me know after this video. Yes, if you have any question, you will ask me. I will let WhatsApp number in the description in this video. Yeah, but remember to share and subscribe. When I upload a new video, you'll be the one. You will get a notification about new video from AgroProtein Farm. Watch. Okay, so I'm gonna enter Nana to take some video about black soya fly farming. So please, it's like to test. Yeah, I'm gonna test you to show you something about black soya fly farming. I hope it'll be amazing. I hope some people who will watch this video, they will say, "Oh, yeah, it's Burundi." Oh, it's not Burundi. I will say it's like Uganda or Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. But it's a sure here it's a Burundi. Yeah, it's a Burundi. It's a Burundi. So something I want to tell you, you are going to see that there are many Burundians who have devoted in agriculture, in farming, for farm different animal, insect. But now we are going to watch a video about black soya fly farming because Burundi. Now we are in the way. We just already started that farming. We are in the process. We are moving hard. Oh, I don't understand how I can tell. How can I explain to you? I hope you are going to see. Yeah, you are going to see. You are going to see. Believe here. It's Burundi. Burundi. Okay, so let me enter then. I show you a short video about black soya fly farming. Okay, look. Make sure I'm explaining this video in English, but I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna upload another video about which is going to explain this video in Kirundi language. Yeah. Okay, make sure remember to subscribe, share, and comments. Please watch this video. Don't miss. Okay, watch. Okay, I'm gonna enter here. Okay. Wow, look. Before enter. Yeah, before enter. Look. Wow. Okay, can I stop here or not? Yeah, let me show you. Wow, look. Do you see there? Yeah, do you see there? Wow, look, please look. Let me show you imagine. Those machines make the food of feeding black soya fly farming. Okay, okay. We collect organic waste, then we bring here, we curry here, then we make the food. Yeah, a good food for feeding black soya fly farming larvae. Okay, don't miss. Okay, keep on watch. This is a machine which are making the food of feeding black soya fly farming. Look. Make sure here it's Burundi. It's not Uganda, it's not Kenya, it's not Ghana, it's not Tanzania. Here it's Burundi, please. Here it's Burundi. Yeah, look. Those are matching. Yeah. Matching, those are making the food of feeding black soya fly farming. Look, okay, watch. Wow. Look, please look. Organic waste. Those are organic waste. Organic waste. Here on those and many food. Yeah. Look. Wow, I'm gonna show you. Please don't miss this video. It's like to test yeah. So I don't understand how I can tell you in Kirundi, but I will make a full video. It's just to show you in this video that here in Burundi we just already started black soya fly farming. We are not sitting. We are on walk. We are walking. We are farming. Look there. Look, please look there. Please look. Those buses. Yeah, there. Look. Wow. Okay, keep on watch this video. Yeah, look, organic waste. Those are ready to put there on those machines in order to prepare good. Then after we feed larvae, we feed BSF eggs which are already hatched. Okay, yeah, look. Yeah, those are the machines that make to prepare later organic and fresh larvae and pupa and the pre-pupa. Look, those are something makers. Look, yeah, organic waste here. Yeah, do you see? You will be amazing. Yeah, I promise you will be amazing. Look, please look. I don't deep in those. But it's just to test it, just to show you what I'm going to talk about in more video I'm gonna upload. Yeah, look. Wow. Please look. I saw many. Wow, I saw many. Look. Did you see there? Look. Wow. So it's opportunity. It's opportunity to see, to watch that. It's like to show a short. But I will talk more about that video. Wow, look. Wow, look. Just watch. Look. Here it's Burundi, please. Here it's Burundi. Wow, look at those bats. Look there. Do you see? Yeah. Do you see? Yeah. Ah. Wow. Oh, wow, look there. Look. Let me show you how the larvae are moving here. Wow. Look at the larvae. Look. Oh. Do you see? Oh, good. Okay. Look. Yeah, keep on. Yeah. I'm still working. I'm still working where black soja farming. Well, they are doing. It's a big praise. Really, it's a big praise. It's a big praise. Look. Oh, look. Yeah, do you see? Wow. Look, please. Look. Yeah, they are eating. They are eating. Wow. They are eating black soja fry. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, those are after black soja fly hatch. Look, the cookies. Those are cookies. Wow. I'm still walking. Yeah, look. Please look. Wow. Look. Wow, so many. Okay. Look. Wow, flies. Wow. Look how they fly. Look how they fly. Look. Wow, look. Oh. Look. Wow, so many. I'm still in the side where they are feeding. Okay, please look, watch. Oh, love it. Okay. There's so many there. Good. So make sure it's me. I started black soja fly farming here in Burundi. After a few days, after a few months, many farmers they saw what I started to do, what I started doing. Then many people they wished to start all there to start black soja fly farming as I start. Then many people they start colony of black soja fly farming. Then after starting, many people who invested much money. Yeah, look what they are doing now. Look, from here up to there, like it's 50 kgs. Yeah, 50 kgs. Yeah, look, 50 kgs. Look, I saw many flies. I saw many in the cage. I saw many in the cage. Look. Amazing. It's here. It's in Burundi. Yeah, it's Burundi. Please, it's Burundi. Don't think another country. It's Burundi. Look, it's Burundi. Look, watch. Please watch. So many. So many. By structure, by structure of natural. Yeah, it's let me say natural structure. This is natural structure. Natural structure. No stress. Without no stress. Yeah. Also, you can start black soja fly farming without thinking how much money I'm going to spend by building hangar. Yeah. If you have enough money, you can build a good hangar by solar, by island star, yeah, and so on. But here it's natural. There's no problem. Even though there is a problem by structure, but make sure that that guys are going to build a big hangar on that area. Yeah, on that area. He's going to build a big hangar. Yeah, I hope in the next video, yeah, you will see those cages in the hangar, in the good cages. Yeah. So this video, it's just to show you that here in Burundi, we are doing black soja fly farming. We are not we just started. Okay, then if you want to know more about black soldier fly farming, I'm here. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I have experience about it. I know all. Yeah, I have. I have helped many farmers here in Burundi. Yeah, then they start those farmers they start black soldier fly farming. So I'm here for you. If you want BSFX, if you want a pupa, if you want the food of feeding chicken, fish, and a pig, I'm here. If you want to buy organic fertilizer, I'm here. Yeah, make sure where you are, every product you need from us about black soldier fly farming, you will get. Yeah, you will get. It will there where you are. There is no problem. So my contact number, my WhatsApp number, I will say my WhatsApp number in description. Then if you have any question, you will contact me. There's no problem. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Feel free to call me. Feel free to call me. I'm here for you. I will do everything in order you start black soldier fly farming. I'm the promoter of black soldier fly farming. I'm here for you. I hope many people next year 2024, they are going to start black soldier fly farming in a good movement. Let me say good movement. Yeah. So be blessed. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Remember to share, to subscribe, to and comment. Yeah. Bye bye.